I'm joining the VR Game Jam 2022, and I think you should too. What is the VR Game Jam? Well, it's a collaborative game jam hosted by the biggest names in the VR game dev community. Those people being Valem, Justin P. Barnett, Dilmer, VR with Andrew, and Dinesh. I'll provide a link to each of them in the description below. Now, why am I not part of the hosting? Well, that's because they're pretty much the OG Avengers, and I don't show up until Phase 4. If you don't know what a game jam is, it is an event where people make games around a theme in a set amount of time. Game jams are one of my favorite tools to sharpen my development skills while also expanding and exploring different ideas. To join, just go to the Game Jam page on itch.io and click the Join Jam button. I'll provide a direct link in the description. We have from July 30th to August 7th to brainstorm, develop, test, and submit our games. That's a full 9 days. The rules to this jam are pretty simple. Keep content clean, you can work in teams or be solo, and use whatever engine or assets you have legal rights to. They even provide a nice base template to start off with. And if you've gotten used to my intro project, feel free to use that as a starting template as well. I hope you join me in this year's VR Game Jam. Even if you can't develop for the entire event, participating in any fashion is a great experience. After this game jam, I'll be back to making tutorials and exploring VR topics. Posting might be a little slow at the moment. I'm in the middle of moving to a new place, and speaking of which, it's time for me to move the computer.